Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tato Marake, and basically, yeah, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Also, welcome back to me because I've been on this long ass break, but I took this break because I had so much social anxiety. But besides the anxiety and all, I was just going through so much, man. So many things were like going wrong and they were weighing me down. So I just decided to take a break. Yeah, man, like, yo. But I'm in a better place now, like mentally and emotionally. I'm in a better place because, wow, yo, it was mgo, yeah. But even though bad things were happening, a lot of good things happened. So I'm just gonna share with you guys a lot as time goes, some of the things that happened. I don't know if I'll share the bad stuff because I just don't like opening up, you know, about things that really affect me, especially in a better place. And I'm happy to be back. Yeah, I can't wait to see how far we get. Speaking of that, I also wanted to thank you guys for 100 subscribers. Oh my god, I can't thank you guys enough. I'm so grateful. I don't take it for granted, and I'll always say thank you. So yeah, thank you guys. Hope more is coming, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed this vlog, and join the family. Anyway, I started this vlog now. Oh, also before we get there, I wanted to show you guys this hair, my hair installation. I'm not feeling it. I don't like it. Like, I did such a horrible job. I think the next time I install this hair, I'm just gonna go to the salon and get it installed by like someone who knows what they're doing, basically. Because the problem is with the lace, I think it's too big. Because so let me show you guys my outfit for the day. So you guys, this is my outfit for the day. How cute is this dress? How cute is my dress? How cute. Look at that. Oh, this thing is out. But it's from, I bought it, it's misguided, but I bought it through Superblist, and I bought it 2020, I think. Yeah, it was in 2020. But it's really cute, né? I don't have any shoes on because I'm still waiting for Amo to get back from school and his father so we can get going. But it's giving. This dress is so cute. I love it. Okay, this is my outfit for the day. It's this crop top from The Fix, and these shorts are from The Fix as well. The back is from Zara. Shoes, it's, I almost said Steve made it. It's Stan Smith from Superblist. Adidas via Superblist. And the shades, I bought them in the streets. On the streets. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, the wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. haven't spoken to you since I got here. So yeah, we are here still. Now we're going into the shuttle. We walk into the shuttle so we can go for the game drive.
Respect our home, you are welcome.
Amo, you chef. It's what? Oi, chapa você. Hey guys, I just got back from Sandton City. I didn't vlog much when I was there. Actually, I didn't vlog at all because my phone was off. Because after yesterday's day, when we got home, I didn't even think of charging my phone. The way I was so tired, and I was also so tired. So we just took a bath and went straight to bed. So this morning, when we woke up, we just decided to rush to Sandton City and get this gift voucher for Amo's grandmother. Yeah, it was her birthday a few days ago, so we thought we should just get her, you know, something to celebrate her life and to show her that we appreciate her and all of that. So that's one. Another thing is, I was planning to go to soccer today, but the wind outside is just too strong for my liking, so I decided to just stay home and yeah, continue with my Sunday lunch preparations. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. My pots are boiling on the stove, and thank you guys, thank you for watching until this far. Thank you, I really appreciate it. I'll always say this, I appreciate this. I appreciate taking your time to watch my vlogs and all of that. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.